A 6 generations recipe. Today is Kerala's Olan. You're watching The Spice Table, Season 2 on the Diaos channel. Olan. Ingredients: roasted black eye beans, winter melon or bottle gourd, large green chillies, coconut oil, thin and thick coconut milk, and some curry leaves. Pour some water into a pot and bring all of the black eye beans to a boil. As you can see, we have dry roasted all of the tattapair or black eye beans for around 3 to 4 minutes until you see slight blackening on the skin. While that's coming to a boil, just thinly slice into half the green chilies. Now here we have a winter melon. It's just the same as a bottle gourd, but this is much smaller and a bit sweeter. Cut them into large chunks. Remove the skins. Next, remove the seeds. Chop it into small pieces and soak it in a bowl of water and add a bit of salt. Leave that for around 5 to 10 minutes while you're working on the other ingredients. After around 15 to 20 minutes, the tattapair has come to a boil. Make sure it's half cooked, not very soft, because you're going to add in the winter melon. Now add in the winter melon. Mix that well. Add in some salt and add in around half a cup of thin coconut milk. Add in the green chilies and let that cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's take a look. It seems like the winter melon has finally become soft, just enough time for also the tattapair to become fully soft. Add some thick coconut milk and bring that to a boil for about 5 more minutes. This is a traditional step. You take a stalk of curry leaves and pour some coconut oil onto the leaf and then add it into the olan. This is something my great-grandmother used to do, and we still do it until this day. Olan, a beautiful taste of Kerala. You have to serve it with yogurt, some pickles. We have some raw onions and large green chilies. And go ahead, add in the olan with a side of papadums. It feels like you just visited Kerala. Trust me, this is delicious.